Hi, my name is Rawan Alghofaili, and I'll be presenting our paper, Exploring Sketch-Based Character Design, Guided by Automatic Colorization. Character design is a lengthy process. In character design, artists iterate and alter their characters' features and colorization schemes and styles according to feedback from their creative directors or peers. We propose a character exploration tool that facilitates this design process by introducing automatic colorization into this design pipeline. First, the artist starts out by sketching out the character thumbnail. Then our tool allows them to iterate over different colorization styles of this character based on the thumbnail. Once the creative director or the artist are happy with the colorization style of this thumbnail, they can use it as a reference to create the turnaround sheet, which is the final concept of the character. Our tool's UI contains a feature selector that allows the artist to drag face templates onto the design canvas. The artist can also sketch directly on the design canvas. We use a generative adversarial network to automatically color the thumbnail on the canvas. The artist can select one of the styles provided in our UI. The GAN will color the thumbnail based on the selected style. If no style is selected, we randomly sample the latent code from a Gaussian distribution and feed it into the GAN to suggest a colorization scheme to the artist. Here's a demo of an artist designing a thumbnail with our tool. The artist first selected a facial feature from the feature selector and placed it on the design canvas. Our tool automatically suggested a colorization style in real time as the artist is sketching and editing the sketch. The artist also selects styles from the style selector, and the colorization is updated in real time accordingly. We recruited 27 artists to participate in our pilot user study to evaluate the user experience of our character design tool. We recorded participants' time of completion of character thumbnail design using our tool and Adobe Photoshop. We found that our tool significantly sped up thumbnail design compared to Photoshop and without sacrificing quality. We wanted to evaluate our tool in the context of the character design pipeline, so we conducted a second user study simulating the design process. We recruited 5 artists and 5 directors to participate in the study. In a mock brainstorming session, the directors gave the artist character descriptions. The artist sketched a thumbnail based on the director's feedback in the brainstorming session, and after the brainstorming session, the artist completes a turnaround sheet and presents it to the directors. The directors can provide additional feedback, and the study ends when the director approves the turnaround sheet. Overall, the brainstorming session was shorter when artists were using our tool compared to other design tools. Here's an example of a turnaround sheet created from a thumbnail designed with our tool. It took the artist 855 seconds to complete the brainstorming session using our tool, while it took the same artist 1,584 seconds to complete the brainstorming session using another tool to create the thumbnail. The aim of our tool is to expedite the character design process by facilitating the creation of the character thumbnail. There are several extensions to our work that could further expedite the design process. Our tool only colors characters' faces. Training the GAN with full-body character designs could allow us to automatically color characters' bodies as well. Moreover, we focus on creating character thumbnails, which are low-resolution images. With a high-resolution dataset, we could fully automate the design process and create a tool that automatically colors the turnaround sheets as well. Finally, we could expand our data set to allow for more style variation. This is one of the thumbnails created by an artist using Photoshop. Because the artist's style deviates from the style of our data set, the GAN produced an image with some color bleeding. Allowing the artist to fine-tune the GAN using their own designs could rectify this issue. Thank you for attending my talk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me using my email.